Hi guys, today I have a video for you. It's a voltage regulator. It says fully automatic AC voltage regulator. The person that brought this thing says it's not doing its job, it's not regulating, and they had someone else taking a look at it. So I would not power it up until I open it and verify inside that no wire is hanging or anything like that. So we'll open it up, take a look first, then I'll power it up. Okay? Yes. So I will open the cover. It has like a door, and yes, I can see inside. It has some circuitry inside. Let me just get some light in there. And it looks like someone was indeed someone was in here, because this board is loose. That's for the front. Now let me take a look at the back. Well, this is the view from the back. This is the same board that's loose. So this is the big transformer that does all the voltage regulating. This thing automatically turns like this, depending on the voltage and what it needs to do. So guys, the first thing I want to do is remove this same board and take a look at it, see if anything is damaged, burnt or anything like that. So let me go right ahead and do that. So I like to mark the wires so I don't get misplaced, don't get them to the wrong place and I'm putting them back together. I also got two wires to remove. Go on to the back of the board. That's it. So here I have that's in the So yes guys, the first thing I noticed on this board, a visual inspection, bulging capacitors. Looks like someone replaced this one. So guys, I'm gonna replace the cap, test some components like the relay resistors, and then we'll see, install it and see what's the problem, if we still have a problem. So the value is 470 UF, 35 volts. So guys, I have one. Now guys, everything seems okay so far. I've tested the transistors, the diodes, and the relay seem okay too. So I've just reassemble this board and test it to see if the regulator would start doing its job. The transformer, the motor. So here I go. Guys, you're working on something like this, you have to be very careful. Try not to work on it when it's live, because this thing delivers some serious voltage. Can be electrocuted. So guys, I'll apply 110 volts, 120 around the area we're having here. So let's see what's gonna happen. Good. And here's the full switch. Wow. Alright that guys. And we're having like 200 and something volts. Let me test. This thing outputs 110 and 220 volts. That is why the meter would show 220. But you can input 110 or 220 and you would get 110 and 220 output. Alright, so look at the meter. Let's test the 110. I'm getting 120 volts. And if I check the 220, I'm getting 241.4 volts. I have to put a load on it, and I should be able to see the transformer move if it has to. That's it. So put it 110. I guess not enough load to move the transformer, eh? Transformer still doesn't even budge. Nothing. So guys, after I changed the capacitor that was swollen, I did some check on the relay, the diodes, resistors. I found nothing damaged. And then when I powered it, I fit the board back and powered the system up. I still don't see the motor on the transformer moving. Like, for example, if I turn it a little higher, when I power up, it's supposed to come back, adjust to come back to the right voltage. And I did some further checks on the board. I still couldn't find anything. But what I did, there's an IC on the board, LM324. I changed this IC because under normal, the IC was receiving the correct input voltage but still not operating. After I change this IC, everything starts to work. So guys, I turned the motor so that the voltage would be low. So now I'm gonna power it up. Take a look at the motor. See that? The motor make a little move. Let me see what's the voltage like. The 110 I'm having 111, and on the 220 I'm having 223. Guys, let me raise the voltage a little higher on the transformer. Let's say about here, and let me power it up again. Take a look at it. You see that? The motor just come right back to regulate the voltage to where it's supposed to be. Let's check again. 110.09, and on the 220 I have 222. So guys, I think I solved the problem on this voltage regulator. It was the capacitor and this LM324 IC, and now it's working. And I'm just gonna go put some screws because it had no screws on the little PCB there, and call the customer up to pick it up. So guys, see you in the next video. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. If it can help anyone, please share. But you have to be extra careful with the voltage in this thing. It's very dangerous voltage you're playing with. And you can subscribe to my channel. And if you like the way I troubleshoot using no schematic, give me a thumbs up or let me know what you think in the comments. See you in the next one.